Well, you don't think it's going to happen to you, but if you're walking in a supermarket or maybe on a dimly lit sidewalk, you're at risk to take a spill, slip and falls, or a leading cause of serious injury. Let's bring in attorney Kellen Sinclair joining us. Kellen, thank you for coming on today. Do appreciate that. Now, we don't want to be paranoid, but where are the most dangerous places that this could happen? Is it the quintessential supermarket near the produce where there's water? Where's this happen the most?
That's definitely one of the areas where you see most of the time, but also some areas that you might not think of are the flower department, the flower section, where they have water and vases. Customers come in, take them out, or sometimes near the ice coolers. They fail, condensation, water starts building up underneath, and we've seen a lot of slip and falls in those areas as well.
So a lot of streets in and around, say, Sacramento, Stockton, are tree-lined streets. The sidewalks are affected. They're sticking up. If you trip over something like that, is that a slip and fall?
Well, it'd be a trip and fall. And
okay.
Yeah.
In the same family?
Yeah, in the same family, in the same tree. But what you want to see, at least in California, what the law usually says is that you're looking for a deviation of about 2 inches.
Okay.
And those can be considered dangerous, especially for elderly and some people with disabilities as well.
And homeowners are responsible for the sidewalk. I know, at least in Sacramento, you gotta take care of the sidewalk in front of you. So we've seen surveillance video of people in grocery stores staging the slip and fall. Do people like that get caught quickly, or they ruin it for everybody else?
I would say generally that's a very good question. They get caught quickly. And there are unfortunately people out there that try to game the system. They're unscrupulous, but that's why it's important to get a lawyer involved, is because we have ethical obligations to put forward real cases.
Okay.
So I've seen many, many times where people get injured and the property owner's at fault and they deserve to be compensated.
Right.
Other cases, they get vetted, they come in, we do a thorough investigation, and those fake cases don't go through and clog up the courts.
Okay, quick, if I'm in the middle of nowhere and I'm the victim in a slip and fall or trip and fall, there's no witness, no video, how difficult is that to prove? Well,
that's a big defense that can be made, and it's important that you document things early because it could be a problem. So if you're taking an ambulance from the scene, that helps. If you're at a store, you want to take an incident report, get a photo of it, get a copy of it. You just want to document things early on and make sure that the owner knows that there is an issue.
Okay, attorney Kellen Sinclair. Good expert advice today, Kellen. Appreciate you coming on.
Thank you for having me.
Sure thing.